Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, Nifty opened on a flat note. However, it has witnessed extreme volatility on either side throughout the session. However, last hour buying momentum pulled index higher to close on flat note. It has closed around 8650 level with gain of 18 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a doji candlestick pattern. However, it carries long lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. It has also formed a higher halo formation compared to previous session indicating positive sign. However, since past 6 consecutive weeks, index continued to remain in a broad trading range from 8720 to 8500 levels, representing short-term sideways trend. At current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8660 level, then it may witness further buying momentum towards 8700 and even 8730 levels. From current levels, 8620 will act as an immediate support zone. Currently, Nifty is well placed above its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term. Hence, any short term correction will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic, both indicators have turned flat, indicating absence of strength at current level. Some positive buy stock for the day are Oil, Voltas, Canara Bank, Cipla, Reliance Industry and Reliance Capital. Whereas some negative buy stock for the day are Lupin, Ambuja Cement, Tata Steel, Coal India and Shriram Transport Finance. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD has opened on flat note and it has remained lackluster within narrow trading range from 67.20 to 67.10 levels throughout the session. On the daily chart, USD has formed a small bearish candle and it carries shadows on either side, indicating absence of strength at current level. USD is sustaining above its 20-day simple moving average, which is around 67.10 levels. Hence, on the downside, 67.10 will act as a crucial support zone. For the day, if USD trade and sustains below 67.10 level, then it may witness intraday selling pressure towards 66.90 to 66.60 levels. On the higher end, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67.22 levels. Any sustainable move about 67.22 levels will cause some strength towards 67.40 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI is in positive territory indicating strength ahead, whereas the momentum indicator stochastic is in negative territory indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.